Hey there, Jesse. Just want to let you see that CERN's not causing this. That's something in front of the planet, bud. That's that's not CERN, huh? Nifty. Do you see the IMFery out here casting these signatures all over the place, Jesse? That's not CERN. That's what we've been watching for 3 years while CERN has been shut down. This thing right in front of planet Earth dancing around. It ain't CERN. Is it a reason for concern? Yeah, but you make people think man is doing this. This has nothing to do with man, dog pile. See the elevated amount of quakes? We was up to 10 fives and fucking 70 some fucking fours last night while your CERN was asleep. It's calmed down. It's going to be picking up again. I wouldn't be me if I didn't include Suspicious Observer being a piece of fucking dirt himself. This motherfucker's been to my page telling me the cartwheel moon is normal. Mr. NASA, he's a spokesman for NASA and stands on NASA's fucking stages and introduces NASA's fucking employees. This man hates NASA, doesn't he? You ever seen a Burger King employee fucking badmouth Burger King? How long they hold the fucking... Yeah, that's right, they get fired. Suspicious Observer is scripted by NASA to lie to you. He's another tool that shows how fucking ignorant the general population is. You support this guy, you support idiocy. Jesse, this Langley fucking admin clearance lady right here, she's set up to gauge the idiocy of the public. She actually did a better CERN breakdown than you do. Dirtbag. I just wanted to let you see what I do all the time when I see a new video from Gina. I just do it on down. This is kind of like what I was doing this morning with BP Earth Watches people, getting myself a lineup of motherfuckers over here, seeing if they got a video. If not, I just pre-block that motherfucker because they're stupid and I don't want to hear this shit. This motherfucker got a video? Sure does.
You know,
Aw.
people don't know in the damn
Plasma beings! Plasma being lover, pre-blocking idiots today. You love Gina Colvin Hill, admin, Langley, fucking thermometer to the fucking idiocy level of the planet. And there you are. Think. Now I go over here, hit the fucking about, and block that motherfucker because I don't have patience to fucking run into them later. Uh-oh, this one gets one too. I like to let people know why. Oh, look, see, this is my favorite because then I know they getting that. Look, he gonna get this. He gonna get it. He gonna read it. And he gonna be like, "Oh, Gina." And I'm gonna be like, "Well, too late, Mister Last Night." See, I was doing this to fucking BP all fucking morning. All his little fucking followers over there clapping their hands about fucking CERN. I gave him a copy of my video and let him know they was being lied to by BP because he's a fucking piece of shit and he fucking makes things up so he can get your money. And I'm sick and tired of watching people lie for money. And I'm sick and tired of watching idiots fucking clapping for them.